Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Windows 11 PC is showing a blue screen with the error code 0xc000000f and a message saying boot configuration data or BCD is missing or contains errors, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to rebuild the boot files and fix the problem using a Windows 11 bootable USB. Let's get started. If you are currently on the blue screen showing the BCD error, simply press the Escape key to open the boot menu. From the boot device list, select your Windows 11 bootable USB drive and press Enter. Wait for Windows Setup to load. When the Windows Setup screen appears, click Next. Select your keyboard layout and click Next again. Now you'll see the setup options. This step is very important. Do not click Install Windows. Instead, select Repair My PC to access the recovery tools. Select your keyboard layout. Next, select Troubleshoot. Then choose Command Prompt. Now we need to identify the EFI System Partition. Type Diskpart and press Enter. Type list_vol, then press Enter. Look for a small FAT32 partition, usually around 100 to 200 megabytes in size and marked as hidden. If you only have one partition matching that description, select it. For example, select vol3. Press Enter. Now assign a drive letter to that partition. For example, assign letter equals M, press Enter. Next type list_vol. You should now see the drive letter M assigned to the EFI partition. Now we need to locate the Windows installation drive. First, check the drive letters from the volume list and note the possible Windows partitions. To check a drive, type exit, then press Enter. Type the drive letter followed by a colon and press Enter. For example, type C:, press Enter. Then type dinar. In this example, the C drive does not contain a Windows folder. So let's check another drive. Type D:, press Enter. Then type dir, press Enter. Now we can see the Windows folder. That confirms D is the Windows installation drive. Your drive letter may be different, so check each possible drive until you find the Windows folder. Now enter the following command BCDBOOT d:/Windows/sm:/f/UEFI. Replace D with your Windows drive letter if different and replace M to your EFI drive letter. Press Enter. You should receive a message saying the boot files were successfully created. Now type exit and press Enter. Click Continue to restart Windows 11. If you now receive a blue screen showing error 0xc00000001, simply press the Enter key to continue booting. Windows 11 should now start normally. And that's it. Your BCDBOOT error 0xc000000f should now be fixed. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.